Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here we are going to unbox recently launched smartphone called iQOO Z10 5G. Let's unbox it. Bring scissor and I cut. I have ordered this phone in Amazon and yes, let's unbox this box. This is the mobile box and this is the bill. Let's unbox this mobile box. iQOO is printed here. Z is also printed and see here some specifications. Generic name, model number is given, screen size 17.19 centimeter, phone dimension is also given. Read the dimensions here, and these are all the other informations like their addresses of manufacturers, etc. Let's go inside the box. Let's unbox it. Wow! At first instance, you see the mobile. The next, these are all the IMEI numbers, barcode, and a transparent case is given. Then user manual is given. Wow! Good news is that charger and a cable is given. Okay, this is the charger. Fast charging, I think. Yes, flash charge is written like here. Okay, and USB cable is also given. This is of C type. One end is USB, other end is C type. One end USB, other end is C type, and SIM ejector pin is given. Okay, nothing more inside the box. Let's open the phone now. This is the phone. Let's have a look at the phone. It is made up of plastic, and camera module is given. It's look fantastic. This main camera and additional cameras are given, and on the right side you can see volume keys and power button. The bottom side you are seeing the charging board and SIM tray here and mic. Okay, in the left side you are seeing nothing. Finishing is also very nice. Here you are seeing IR blaster. color is also very nice. For me, it is very I very much like it, but different people have different opinions about colors. If you like this color, put a like in this video. Let's we can turn on this phone, and also along with this transparent case is given. Let's put it in the phone. This is the transparent case. Okay, until you have quality flip cover or any other thing, use this. Okay, wow, front camera is also given here. Okay, so if you need anything more, just comment below. We will upload according to your need. Okay, that's all, friends. Bye.